So students, let's do this question. The Ogive on the right shows the masses in gram of 90 star fruits. A. Construct a box plot based on the Ogive. B. Hence state the distribution shape of the data. Distribution shape. What is that? Let's have a look of how to construct a box plot. Basically, when you want to construct a box plot, you must use a graph paper, right? So take out the graph paper. We are going to draw, not sketch. We are going to draw a box plot. So a box plot consists of minimum, maximum, first quartile, median, and third quartile. There are 5 stars there. So let's do it now. We need to read out the minimum value. We need to read out the Q1, Q2, Q3, and the maximum value. So from the Ogive, we can read the minimum value. We can read the Q1. We can read Q2, Q3, and the maximum value, right? So now take out the graph paper. Draw the scale first. Minimum to maximum. The minimum is 80. The maximum is 150. So we are going to put the point or plot the point for minimum point is 80, right? So we are going to start with the minimum point, which is the lowest mass for the star fruit, followed by we need to read the Q1, Q2, Q3, and the last one, which is actually the maximum value. Just to inform you that the axis should be mass in gram, right? Mass in gram. So the lowest is a minimum value, which is 80 for the mass, followed by we will label the point for quarter 1, first quartile, Q1, which is 116. Q1 is 116. So you need to read and count 6 boxes from 110. All right, 116, it must be 6 boxes after 110. Okay, we have labeled Q1. Now we need to label 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is 3 boxes after 1, 2, 0, right? Now let's label 1, 2, 3. Okay, after we label 1, 2, 3 for the median, we need to label the third quartile, which is 1, 2, 8. 1 to 8 is the third quartile. So we will go to the box plot and find 8 boxes from 1 to 0, or you can say 2 boxes to the left of 130, that is 1 to 8. Make sure you read according to the scale. You cannot simply put the dot. You have to use the scale properly. And the maximum value is 150. So we will find the point 150 and plot the dot there, a point. Okay, now just bear in mind that make sure the scale is uniform. From 80, 90, 100, 110, the different all are tens. You have to double check. All right, now we can try to connect minimum point to the first quartile. That is actually the lower half. We call as lower half of the distribution, right? 25% is 1/4 of the graph, but it's at the lower part. So we must say it's 1/4, lower half of the graph of the distribution. Or you can say 25%, lower half. Alright, then you connect the first quartile with the median with the third quartile using a box like this. Alright, make sure you draw the box and then you connect third quartile to the maximum value using a straight line, horizontal straight line. Alright, so make sure the box looks like a box with the line is clean so that it is a box with a plot. Plot means a point, a dot. Make sure the dot is clear, right? So remember, box plot consists of 5 plots with a minimum value, first quartile, median, third quartile, and the maximum value. Okay, the distribution of the data is actually skewed to the left. Why we say skew to the left? Because the left side of the box plot is longer than the right side of the box plot. As you can see, the line connecting minimum point or minimum plot to the first quartile is longer compared to the line, the horizontal line to the right, which connect the third quartile to the maximum value. So we can say that the distribution of the data is actually skewed to the left. Skewed to the left, right? It is actually telling us the shape of the distribution, right? So only the box plot can represent the distribution shape of the data. So that is why we need to draw a box plot in order to represent the distribution shape of the data. Alright, that's all my sharing about drawing and Ogive with the box plot. So till then, I shall share with you more on box plot in my next video lesson. Bye bye and have a nice day.